Welcome! This is Brooke Clonts with the Karlie and Brooke channel. I'm also a writing Instagrammer, and I'm here to talk to you today about writing romances. So one of my favorite romances of all time is a classic, and I'm sure you've heard of it. It's Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. Pride and Prejudice has been around for a long time, and it's had so many spin-offs from it. And I will eat them all up. They're all so good. And the reason why Pride and Prejudice is so good, despite there being no sex in it anywhere, in fact, there's not even a kissing scene in it, is because of the characters. And I think that it's really important for romance authors, including myself, to remember the reason why. Because whether you decide to put sex or kissing in your books, that doesn't really matter. What matters is that you at least have the foundation of what makes a romance work. And what makes a romance work in Pride and Prejudice is Elizabeth and Darcy and who they are apart from each other. Elizabeth is her own personality separate from Darcy, and she has her own strengths and weaknesses. And one of her strengths, she's very, very smart and quick-witted, and she's a fun character to follow. But one of her weaknesses is that she is very prejudiced against wealthy people. And Darcy is a wealthy person. Darcy, on the other hand, is very sweet and giving, but he has a tendency to be proud. And when they come together, they learn from each other and they make each other better. They make each other stronger, and they root out flaws from each other and make them see each other more clearly. And I think that this is a huge reason why Pride and Prejudice is so impactful and such a great story, is because at the end of the book, both Elizabeth and Darcy have changed, and they have changed because of the impact of each other. And so when they finally come together, they are better people because of each other. And I think this applies, honestly, to real life as well. You want to be with somebody, you want to marry somebody who makes you a better person, right? So I think that's what makes the romance in it so strong. And it's honestly what Darcy and Elizabeth like about each other so much, is because they have such a positive impact and positive influence on each other. If you like this video, please comment, like, subscribe, and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.